So, our topic for today is all about factoring by grouping. Naituro ko na sa inyo ang iba't ibang uri ng factoring of polynomials, such as greatest common factor. Kunin mo yung greatest common factor para makapag-factor ka. Next is the perfect square trinomial. We already studied also the difference of two squares. The general trinomials, kung paano natin ipafactor yan. And lastly, ito yung pinakahuli, factoring by grouping. So, paano ba natin gagawin ito? Let us have an example here. Number 1, meron tayong x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So, this is an example of polynomial. So, paano natin ipa-factor itong polynomial na ito? First thing na dapat natin gawin, i-group natin sila sa terms na parang parehas. Parehas silang may x dito. Ito ay x squared, dito 3x. Ito naman, meron siyang 2x plus 6. So, pwedeng open and close parenthesis or kahit ganyan lang. Basta makita ko lang na pinaghiwalay ninyo. Next, factor mo ito using the GCF. Take the GCF, then factor. Anong GCF ng unang term? The GCF is x times the quantity x plus 3. So, yan ang magiging factor ng unang term. Plus, the next term is 2 times the quantity x plus 3. So, dinivide natin yan by 2. Yung 2x plus 6. So, yan ang factor niya. Ngayon, kung mapapansin ninyo, pareho tayong may x plus 3 dito. Yan. So, pwede nating isimplify yan. Ano yung parehas dito? X plus 2. Tapos dito parehas x plus 3. Yan. X plus 2, then times x plus 3. So, ang magiging sagot natin is quantity x plus 2 times x plus 3. Next, we have 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12. So, paano natin isolve ito? Okay? I-group muna natin sila. So, i-group natin yung 2x squared plus 8x plus we have 3x plus 12. So, hanapin natin ang common factor dito. So, ang common factor nitong unang dalawang terms or binomial, we have 2x ang GCF niya. Then, using the factoring by taking the common monomial factor, ang makukuha natin is 2x plus or times x plus 4. Plus, dito we have 3x or 3 times x plus 4. I-divide mo yung 3 sa binomial. Now, we have 2x plus 3. Ito yun, 2x, tapos nandito yung 3. Ngayon, dahil may x plus 4 dito at x plus 4 dito, we can rewrite that as x plus 4. Now, our final answer is 2x plus 3, then x plus 4. That's the answer. Number 3, we have 3x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 4. Okay? We have 3x squared minus 6. Yan ang parehas. Next is 2x minus 4. Okay? Okay, so meron na tayong dalawang binomial dito. So what we have to do now is to factor the GCF. Ano ang GCF nitong una? So, tingnan natin. 3x times the quantity x minus 2. I-divide mo itong 3x dito sa binomial. Plus, ano ang common dito? You have 2. 2 times the quantity x minus 2. Pinag-aralan nyo na yan using factoring by the GCF. We have 3x plus 2. Ito, kinuha natin yung 3x dito, then 2. And then, dahil may x minus 2, kinuha mo na rin yan. So, the answer is 3x plus 2 and x minus 2. That's the answer. Okay? I-try nyo ito sa inyong bahay. This is, let's say, board work activity ninyo. Okay, we have number 4. Okay, that one. Yan ang magiging una niya. Number 5. Okay, so pag-aralan nyo itong number 4, 5, and 6 kung paano nakuha ito. Okay? Yung number 6 natin, ayan. Okay, now, okay? So, number 1 question na kailangan nyo sagutan ay ito. Number 2 ay ito. Number 3, yan. Number 4, yan. And number 5, yan. Number 6, yan. Okay? So, to generalize, factoring by grouping involves 4 steps. Una, group the terms into pairs. Second is factor out the GCF from each pair. The next is identify the common binomial factor. And next is factor out the common binomial. So, that is our lesson. So, for the extended learning activity in mathematics, ito ang papagawa ko sa inyo. Direction, match the polynomial in column A with its correct factorization in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided in each number. So, you have to answer this and send your answer in our GC. So, that's all. That's our topic about factoring by grouping. That's all for now. Have a nice day, everyone.